In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a reminder on Google Calendar. Whether you're busy with work, school, or managing daily life tasks, reminders can be incredibly beneficial in keeping us organized and ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. Now let's dive in and see how you can set those important reminders. To begin, you'll need to open Google Calendar. This can be done on your computer or on the mobile app. If you're using a web browser, just head over to calendar.google.com and sign in with your Google account if you're not logged in already. And for those on mobile, just open the Google Calendar app on your device and make sure you're signed in. Once you're on your calendar interface, decide on the date and time for which you'd like to set your reminder. Click on that specific slot on your calendar. This will bring up a menu where you'll see options to either create an event, reminder, or a task. Google Calendar has now integrated reminders into Google Tasks, so you'll want to select the task option. Choosing a task allows you to set up what used to be known as reminders, giving you similar functionality while keeping everything neatly organized within your Google ecosystem. After selecting task, you will be prompted to enter a title for your reminder. Make sure the title clearly represents what the task or reminder is about. This way, at a glance, you know exactly what needs your attention. Below the title, there's a space to add a description. This can be useful for jotting down any pertinent details you might need when the time comes to complete this task. Maybe you need to gather specific documents for a meeting or pick up groceries after work. This is the perfect place to drop any notes or reminders related to the task. Once you've filled in the title and description fields to your satisfaction, your next step is to save it. Just click on the Save button, and there you have it. Your reminder is now set on your calendar. You can rest easy knowing that Google Calendar will give you that nudge when the time comes, keeping you on top of your schedule. Before we wrap up, let's recap why using Google Calendar for reminders is such a valuable tool. It integrates seamlessly with other Google services, making it a convenient and user-friendly choice. Plus, with the new tasks feature, you can manage your reminders with added flexibility. So go ahead, harness the power of Google Calendar to keep all your important dates and tasks front and center. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to stay organized and see you in the next video.